Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider that just yesterday the price was down around that area of the chart, and now all of a sudden the price is back up here, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very, very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around 285, which I talked about yesterday as a resistance. But now that the price is up above it, just a foundational rule in charting states that when resistances are broken, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. So why is 285 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying that. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 285. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price closes, or I should say separates to the downside, what would be, the case in this situation? What would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that the price just, broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, behaves in this manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. So even after a pretty drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as 285. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, in the very short term, it's all about this 297 mark. A whole bunch of times the price tried to break through it, couldn't quite do it. After 297, then you're looking at right up around 310. But in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking resistance levels. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, everything else will take care of itself. So no doubt about it. Nice bounce today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.